Today we are checking out a modern duplex that was split into two separate units for maximum rental potential in Laureles. Quick note before we jump into the tour, if you are actively looking to buy in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, then we can help you move fast and buy properly. We don't just sell apartments in our direct inventory. We scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We only work with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So if that's you, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description and we'll take it from there. Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at this amazing duplex that was divided into two separate units here in Laureles in the neighborhood of Florida Nueva, and stick around towards the end of the video because I'll show you on the map where it's located and what's around you. As we walk into the first unit here, we're on the 4th floor, so the units sit on the 4th and 5th floor in a building that does not have an elevator. The total square meters here is 138 square meters spread across the two units with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This 4th floor unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The building was constructed in 2021, so just about 5 years ago. And we are in a very residential neighborhood, and I think this opportunity is perfect or ideal for someone that is looking for long-term value, long-term living, and maybe they want to rent out one of the units to someone else, right? They could put it on Airbnb if they want, or you can change it back into a duplex, right? And make it just one giant unit, or you can rent out both units if you'd like. So this is a rare opportunity for someone that is looking also to live in Laureles, right? This area is a little bit more residential, and I'll let you guys finish the rest of this walkthrough of the 4th floor unit, and then we'll go over to the 5th floor unit and I'll give you more details about this this deal. Into the 5th floor unit here, as we walk into the high ceilings that you can see, the open space that you have here on the 5th floor unit. On this unit, it has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The terrace is a little bit larger, right? You have a larger balcony here that's kind of considered a terrace. Enough room to do barbecuing. You can see a bit of the view here in the neighborhood of Florida Nueva in Laureles. I really love the high ceilings, by the way. I think that's always awesome, especially at the top of the top units of every building. There's a look at the kitchen, and then a little bit area for workspace here. So this property, right, it's 2 units being sold, so you'd be given just 1 deed, so both units would be written under 1 deed. And like I mentioned before, this is great for someone that maybe they want to live on this top floor unit and just rent out the bottom one, right, the 2 bedrooms, or vice versa. If they want to live in the 2 bedroom apartment and then rent out this top floor unit, they can definitely do that. That's what the owner does. He rents out the bottom floor unit. So we're gonna finish the walkthrough here, and then we'll go over on the map to show you exactly where we are and what's around you. Okay, so taking a look at the listing of this property that is on our website, by the way, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. If you want to check it out, there you can browse all of our properties and you can see all the details for this property. I'll also have the details for this apartment down below in the description. But let's go over to Google Maps to show you where we are. So we are in Florida Nueva, and I have it marked out here in this yellow area right here. And I'll zoom in to show you where the building's located in the neighborhood. It's this green area, that's the general area. This entire area is flat, it's walkable, it's residential, and when I was there around 2 p.m., 3 p.m., it was very quiet as well. And you have some great things next to you, like local transportation. I have marked out up here the metro station for Estadio, the stadium metro station. That's just like a 5-minute walk to get there. And you do have a main road nearby that that is Avenida San Juan. I marked it out here below in this blue line. This road will take you to the highway and it will allow you to travel north to the city or south to the city all the way to Envigado and Sabaneta. For nightlife, you have La 70 very close by, just a 5-minute walk, 10-minute walk. It's this red strip right here that I marked out. That's where the restaurants are, the nightclubs, some bars, other hostels and hotels as well. So if you're looking for nightlife here in Laureles, you would go to La 70. And finally, just to give you reference of where Florida Nueva is, because I know a lot of people search Laureles and they find Primer Parque and Segundo Parque. I have those marked out right here in red. So that's it for the overview of Florida Nueva. It's very residential, it's flat, it's quiet, and you're close to a lot of the attractions like La 70. You're also very close to the stadium, and you're close to local transportation that you can easily use to navigate around the city. So that's it for this duplex in Laureles. Again, if you guys are interested in taking a look at this property, or maybe you want to see something else, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.